Hello, 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 and good morning. It's Crouching Python here, and I am going to do a little video on how to download and install Scratch 2. Now, I know that if you just looked up Scratch, it took you to the Scratch website, which is web-based, but what you need for this course is Scratch 2, which is a standalone. And actually, if you look to the very first page of the course, if you're taking my CTY course, it'll say right here, welcome. You will need to use Scratch 2.0 as it matches all course materials. It can be downloaded here. Here's the link. All right, so I'm just going to go through the whole thing and show you how to do it. You ready? Now, I use a Windows machine. You may use a Mac, but we'll see here that it gives you the instructions to do either one. All right, so down here is Mac, OS X or 10.5 or older. Figure out which one you've got, download the right one. So I have Windows though, so I'm going to click on download this. So it requires Adobe Air right here. So you got to do that first. So it goes 1, 2, 3. Okay, number 1. Here we go. Boom. We're downloading. And we're going to say, yeah, download it now. Okay, downloading it now. It should start shortly. I'm going to save the file, which is the installer. Okay, and something should be happening soon now. Next. I do not want to do any of that, okay? I do not want to start a free trial. We just want to download this. Okay, and it should be downloading as we speak. Oh, there it is. Okay, so I'm using Firefox. It's right here, Adobe Installer. Double click, and it should launch the installer. There it is. I agree. I totally agree. Absolutely. And do I want it? Yeah, I do. I want to. So it's installing, as we can see there. Ah, completed. Good. Finished. Boom. Okay. That's all I had to do for that. Now I go on to number 2, which is the Scratch Offline Editor. So I've got Windows, so I'm going to click on download here. It's going to take me here. Do you want to do this? Yes, I do. I want to save that file. All right. And I'm going to just check up here on Firefox. It shows you that it says display the progress of your download. And there it is, okay? So I can open the file, ba-boom. And shortly, the magic will happen. There it is. Okay, good. Okay, where do you want to put it? Yes, add a shortcut. I'd say yes. Start the application after the installation. Yes. And it picks a place to put it. That'll be fine. Continue. Do I want? Yes, I do want to allow it to make changes. Now it says it's installing it, as I can see right there. Okay, and pretty soon, the little blue bar is creeping across. It's going to be, boom, ready, and now it launches it. And that's what it looks like. How do I know I've got the right one? It says right here, Scratch 2 Offline Editor. If you went to Scratch 3, it's not offline, it's online. And some things that you're going to do in this course are not going to work with that. So you need this one. Okay? And then it works pretty much the same way. It looks a little bit different, but all of your instructions and everything will be ready for this. Okay, so that's how you do it. Any questions, please see me. And let's just make sure we got that up and running for all your cool projects you have to do. That's it for now.